Hi, my name is Meredith, and today we are going to learn about how to create a strong introduction for your essay using the reverse triangle method. Now, using this method is starting with a broad statement, which would be the top or the bottom of the triangle since it's a reverse triangle, and then narrowing it down to its most focused point, which should be your thesis statement. So the way you want to begin your introduction is with a broad statement. What is your overall subject? Why are we reading this paper? Why should we care about your subject? Something that really brings your readers in and connects them with the subject that you're writing about. So whether this be a hook or an anecdote or a quote of some kind, something that really grabs your reader's attention and lets them know in general what you're going to be talking about. Then you're going to state your main points. What will you talk about in your body paragraphs? What are the specifics of your paper? So these points should be in the same order that they're going to appear in your paper. These are the specific topics that you will talk about within your subject. So for instance, say you're talking about global warming, or global climate change rather. Within that general topic, you're going to talk about the rainforest, ice caps melting, and the change in weather that we can feel in our day-to-day lives. So that will go in sort of the middle of your introductory triangle. And then you will end your introduction with your thesis statement. This is your main argument. This is the main point that you want to make with your paper. So it should be something fairly specific, and it should encompass everything that you're going to include in your paper. Now that may sound like a tall order, but it's actually fairly simple to put together a good thesis statement. What you want to do is address your subject, address a potential counter-argument, and then address your main argument that you're going to make. So, for instance, for the subject of global warming, you could say something along the lines of, on the subject of global warming, although some people consider it to be fake or false, my points of X, Y, and Z will prove that it is in fact a problem that we are facing today. So that is in general how you set up a strong introduction. It's super easy to do once you get the main idea of it down, and it's a formula that you can use for any subject. You can use it for history, for English, for a math paper, if your math teacher assigns you papers, for a science lab report. All of these subjects you can use the same basic formula for. Thank you so much for coming to my lesson. I hope this was helpful, and I hope it adds a tool to your toolbox. Have a great day.